Honolulu is the seaport of USA. Ho Chi Minh is the seaport of Vietnam. Abadan is the seaport of Iran. Montreal is the seaport of Canada. Buenos Aires seaport of Argentina. Antwerp seaport of Belgium. Bristol seaport of UK. Bandar Bushehr seaport of Iran. Kolkata seaport of India. Cape Town seaport of South Africa. Melbourne seaport of Australia. Cardiff seaport of UK. Marseille seaport of France. Lisbon seaport of Portugal. Liverpool seaport of UK. Manchester seaport of UK. Which of the following countries has no seaport? All of the above. Which of the following is not seaport of USA? Lisbon seaport. Haifa is the seaport of Israel. How many countries in the world have no seaport? 44. How many countries are in Asia which have no seaport? 11. How many countries are in Africa which have no seaport? 15. How many countries are in Europe which have no seaport? 16. Bantin is the famous seaport of Chile. Melbourne seaport of Spain. Vilnius seaport belongs to Russia. Trimcoat Lake seaport is seaport of South Korea. Superveen seaport of Denmark. Delhi is capital and seaport of East Timor. Taipei seaport and capital of Taiwan. Nemo-Mai seaport of Finland. Planet in solar system. Planet: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Distance from the Sun: million kilometer. Mercury 57.9 million kilometer. Venus 108.2 million kilometer. Earth 149.6 kilometer. Mars 227.9 million kilometer. Jupiter 778.3 million kilometer. Saturn 1427 million kilometer. Uranus 28,169.6 million kilometer. Neptune 4496.6 million kilometer. Period of revolution around the Sun: Mercury 88 days. Venus 224.7 days. Earth 365.25 days. Mars 87 days. Jupiter 12 years. Saturn 30 years. Uranus 84 years. Neptune 165 years. Period of rotation on axis: Mercury 58 days 15 hours and 13 minutes 243 days. Venus 243 days 14 hours. Earth 23 hours 56 minutes and 40 seconds. Mars 24 hours 37 minutes 22 seconds. Jupiter 9 hours 50 minutes 30 seconds. Saturn 10 hours 14 minutes. Uranus 16 hours 10 minutes. Neptune 18 hours. Number of satellites: Mercury 0, Venus 0, Earth 1, Mars 2, Jupiter 63, Saturn 56, Uranus 12, Neptune 8. Mass: time of Earth: Mercury 0.055, Venus 0.815, Earth no. Mars 0.108, Jupiter 3.1 700.9, Saturn 95.2, Uranus 14.6, Neptune 17.2. Other detail: Mercury nearest to the Sun, smallest and fastest planet. Venus brightest, hottest, closest to the Earth, and Earth near twin planet. Earth most dense planet, watery planet, and bios planet. Jupiter largest planet, largest number of satellites, and smallest day. Saturn least dense. Neptune coldest, slowest to move round the Sun, and largest wear.